Yeah. Christian, what were you saying about the ball? Why are you hitting it? Why are you hitting it? What did it do to you? Why? What did it do to you? Is that where you put the ball? Put the ball in there. Yeah, it goes in there. Yeah. Yeah, put it in there. Why'd you do that? Oh. Hey, I have a question. Did you poop? Smells like it. Christian, come here. What's outside? What's outside, buddy? But you're gonna break it if you hit it that hard. But why are you hitting it that hard? You gotta be gentle with it. What's out there? Who's there? Yeah, they're doing the floor. Yeah. Come here, buddy. Oh, really? But that ball goes over here. Oh, really? Can you hit the number 2? Hit the numbers. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Here. 1, 2, 3. Good throw, buddy. 1. Wow, that's a big ball. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Hey Christian, where are the rest of them? There's a green ball, and a blue ball, and another red ball. What did you do with it? Do you know where they are? Can you find them? Can you find the rest of them?